Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mia and I'm Rhea. We're the twins, the best people of this family, aka the favorite children. Don't tell Matthew or Lizzie. Anyway, today we're going to be getting our dog groomed just by ourselves because my parents trust us, of course. So they got us our own wallet, a credit card, and the house keys. They said we could go alone as long as we take our phones and call them if anything. If you hear any noise in the background, don't mind that. I'm sorry. So today, yeah, I just said that actually. We just have to say bye to our parents. Yeah. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Bye, girls. Be careful again. Can I come? Me too. Sorry, kiddos, but no. It's annoying. Oh yeah, and we have this little bag we're using as a purse because, yeah, it was the Friday gift today, and let's get going. Unlock the house. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Bye. No sneaking out to concerts again. Yes, that was like a long time ago. Bye. We're finally here. This is such a cute grooming area. I guess you could adopt or groom them. Oh, you could scrub them off a little. Anyway, let's get inside. Sorry about that awkward silence. Anyways, hi, we have an appointment for dog Penny Bookers. I didn't need the last name, but thanks. You could just go over. And she'll take just a few minutes. Might as well just check out the animals while they do that with me. Look, it's like a little house for me. It's real furniture. It's adorable. Oh, they use this little hat or another cat. Oh, baby, you're cute. There's like a little couch. What is this? A sloth bat? These underwater creatures. These are like this little frog. Look at this dog, y'all! It's so cute! I want it. What about Penny? Close that up. And yeah, I guess we can just go outside and wait. This is gonna be a pretty boring video, but yeah, sorry for keep hearing. hate this job. I should really quit. You're all done. Honey, we're all done with her. Just a little wet now. It's fine. Cash or credit. I'll go check that out. Go. Now we can head home. It was a pretty short video, sorry about that guys, but yeah. Home to our parents. Da, da, da. Where are they? They should be home by now. It doesn't take that long to get a dog groomed. And check out. House keys. Don't tell me you lost them, girl. No, I got them. Alright, let's get inside now. Now you can eat. All done. We're home. Was it fun or boring? Pretty boring, but we got to see animals.